waterfalling. Woohoo!
A little early, but
It's not early.
yeah, true.
Literally, we met 8 years ago in April, the beginning of April,
7.
April 1st. 7 years ago, sorry. And we always went waterfalling, like all the time.
Oh yeah.
On our days off. So now Knight gets to join in on all these fun adventures.
Yeah. Should be good.
So I guess we will see you guys at the waterfall. I told him he had to shake his G Fuel outside because the baby is sleeping. You got these? We
Yeah.
both have our boots. Let's do it.
It was going all right at first, and then
It's a lot more work this year. Last year we were here, I was pregnant, but this year we have to carry a baby, all of his stuff.
well, that we're only here in the spring of the year.
True. Now it's probably flowing. Careful, it's icy. Look at this poo. It's so cool. This is like probably one of my favorite waterfalls in New Brunswick out of the few that there is. I was just talking to everyone. Not really comfortable right here.
Well, yeah, bud.
What is that, baby? He's looking.
Can you see all right?
Yep. What is this?
What movie? That's super muddy. So much poop. They're gonna be like, you shouldn't be taking him there. You need to be careful.
The seals we're gonna get.
Do they just like walk into it all the time?
What was that?
Oh, thank you.
Huh?
Those are bigger than. It's a hoof though. I said you deer just walk into.
Pretty much, I think.
Did you enjoy your very first waterfall experience? You look pissed. You look pissed. I'm in the middle of the road. My glasses are falling off. Okay, so. Are you taking it?
Yep.
So we were up here, way up there. Before.
Yep.
Look how cool it looks.
Or you can see it like on the other side.
Oh yeah.
There's a really big one, like way down there. We can't really see it right here, but like it's super nice. Yeah. No, like
We'll come back this summer and show you, but we're probably gonna swim.
I hope so. What are you doing, bud? Yeah, no. So this has been a pretty good trip, anyway. One of many
Whoa,
for the
what's
summer.
that? What's that? Wow! Look at your water! Ew!
Snack bubbies. You having a snack?
Mmm. Sweet potato. He's a fast eater. Wiping your face?
Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Definitely give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bubby's just having a snack here. Loving it.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See you next
ya.
time.